I haven't posted because I haven't had a laptop. Now, my old computer was about 12 years old and it finally just gave up. It couldn't run my editing software anymore. Laptops are expensive, really, really expensive. And kind of being a one-man band, it was pretty hard to find, say, 1,200 quid to spare, especially when you've got expensive hobbies like motorcycles. So I put up a little GoFundMe on the YouTube channel and on my Instagram, and I was kind of blown away that anyone would donate money at all, and that was you guys. So thank you very much. I really, really appreciate it. I'm really pleased with my new laptop. I'm really, really pleased to be back to making and posting videos. Now, let it be known that I take the channel seriously. I don't earn any money from it. I haven't got a serious following, but I enjoy it, and I enjoy hearing from you guys and hopefully entertaining you guys. So I'm really pleased to be back at it, and I couldn't have done it without you lot. So thank you very much indeed. Now, whilst I was away from posting videos, I have been plotting, planning, collecting parts, and I have still been filming a bit as well. So I've got about 2 or 3 episodes of the 1920s BSA build coming up. That's going to be pretty interesting stuff because I've kind of delved into making some of the more serious parts. Another thing I've been doing is collecting parts. Now, I don't know what's going on, but I've managed to get hold of some absolutely corking parts in the past couple of months from auto jumbles, a little bit of eBay, but mostly jumbles. And I've got some good bits. I've been collecting bits for the Kawasaki behind me, the 440, because we're going to be picking that back up very, very soon. And it's had a bit of a change of direction. So that'll be good to get back on board with that. I think it's going to be slightly different to what I usually do, but I think it's going to be enjoyable for you lot. Not only that, but here's the exciting news. I have just picked up a new motorcycle. Well, not a new motorcycle, it's an old motorcycle and it's pretty clapped, to be honest. But I've picked up a new motorcycle for the channel. Now, the story with that is very, very interesting, and I think it's going to be an interesting build. It will be a slightly different kind of series format to what I've been doing already, but I think you lot are going to be pretty interested because it is a 650 Triumph, which is a bike I've always dreamed of owning, and the circumstances that it kind of came to me under and the things that have unfolded since have been like very interesting to me. So I'm really excited to get on board with that. It's not going to be a desert racer, but I won't be revealing too much right now. There is also kind of a greater plan for the Triumph. Obviously it will be staying with me, but I've got some plans to go and do some stuff on it next year. So we're kind of be building that with those things in mind. I know I'm being cryptic, but you got to wait for the series to come out and for us to crack on with it. So yeah, I got a new laptop, I've been filming, I've got episodes ready to go, I have got parts coming out of my ears that I'm ready to crack on with and bolt to the bikes, and good things are coming. So thanks for listening to this little update, and I hope you'll enjoy the videos that's going to be getting released this week. Thank you again, guys, I really appreciate it for all your support, and I will see you next time.